Our immune system is great at protecting us from infection, from disease, from cancer, but sometimes our immune system makes mistakes and this can affect its functioning, which can lead to immune system disorders. Generally, there's three categories of immune system disorders. There's hypersensitivities, autoimmune disorders, and immune deficiencies. In terms of hypersensitivities are overly exaggerated responses by our immune system to otherwise harmless things like allergens or allergies. There's four types of hypersensitivities. Type 1 hypersensitivities are called immediate because they're like allergic reactions. So you quickly see a reaction after being exposed to an allergen. Type 2 hypersensitivities are called cytotoxic. This happens when our body's antibodies target parts of our body, like you can have the wrong blood transfusion reaction. This involves blood or hemolytic disease of the newborn. Type 3 hypersensitivities is where your body forms these immune complexes of antigen antibody, and they go to various parts of your body and they can cause a lot of inflammation and tissue damage. An example could be glomerulonephritis, which has to do with a part of your kidneys. Finally, type 4 hypersensitivities are called delayed type hypersensitivities. They involve T cells that cause inflammation and cell damage. And with this, an example of type 4 is dermatitis. So like when you're exposed to jewelry. Another type of immune system disorder is autoimmune disorders. This is when our immune system mistakenly attacks our body's own tissues as if they were foreign, and this leads to inflammation and tissue damage. There's many different types of autoimmune diseases. Common examples are rheumatoid arthritis, where our joints are attacked. There's type 1 diabetes, where insulin producing cells in our pancreas are targeted. Finally, the last category is immune deficiencies. These are disorders where components of our immune system are not present or they're not functioning properly, and this leads to a reduced immune system so that a person cannot fight infections properly. There's primary immune deficiencies. Those are genetic, you're born with them, and there's secondary immune deficiencies. That's things that happen in your lifetime that can weaken your immune system. That can be things like having cancer, taking chemotherapy, pregnancy, just being sick in general. There's what stress can cause secondary immunodeficiencies. So our immune system is really important, but again, you can get these three categories of things gone wrong with your immune system, and they're hypersensitivities, things like allergies. There's four of them. There's autoimmune disorders, and finally there's immune deficiency disorders.